Hi guys, welcome back to Asvi Be Creative. I am Ashwati. Today I'm gonna review this Olivia pancake for you all. I think all of you guys must be knowing about this product because it's such a hype product in YouTube, and that's the reason I got this. So I got this from a store from Kerala, from Thrissur, which is near to Fiji. So that is where from I got this, and I got this for rupees 120. Actually, I wanted to get this online while I was in Goa because in Goa I couldn't find it in any store, and it was actually priced very high in online, maybe somewhere in between 200 to 300. Even if the price is just 150 or 180, they would charge a price of 30 rupees or 40 rupees for delivery charges. So all in all, it would be above 200 for sure, even though the MRP is just 120 rupees. So price wise, I would say it's definitely on affordable range because it just retails for 120 rupees, and it is of how many grams of product? I think it is, and we get 25 grams of product. So definitely for the quantity we get, it's very affordable product. So this comes in this type of holographic carton packaging wherein it has written all the details that starts from Olivia. I have heard about this brand while back because I have seen their bleach, herbal bleach. This brand is there for a very long time. It is 100% waterproof, and they have mentioned the shade name, and in the back of the carton they have clearly mentioned how to use this, as well as in key ingredients I couldn't find any parabens. So I hope that they do not have parabens in it. In that way it would be good, and it's cruelty free. It is Indian brand, and it is vegetarian product, and also they have mentioned packed on date as well as used before, which is again a very good thing. We have this kind of plasticky packaging. When we open it, there is a sponge right here which is of very low quality. I wouldn't recommend you guys to use this. There is no mirror, that is a drawback, and when we open this plasticky case, there is the actual product, and if you guys can see, it is not perfect match for me. It is definitely a shade lighter to my skin tone, but somehow I don't know, after applying it and after once it just blends to my skin, it kind of matches to my skin tone. I wouldn't say it's a perfect match to me, but definitely it is not something which gives a white cast, so which is again something I like. Actually they have got 9 or 10 shades, which is again a very good thing. For a very affordable brand to have a 10 shades of pancake is, I think it's a very good thing, because we all know, even well-known brands, even Indian brands, when they launch a new product or whatever products is available with them, whatever base products is there would be hardly 6 or 7 shades. That would be like max, and the darkest of the darkest shade wouldn't suit me, and I am of dusky skin tone. There are girls way more darker than me, and they can't even think about trying out any of these base products. So it's altogether another thing. So anyways, I'm very happy with the shade range they have. They actually have got very darker shade as well, but in the store where I went, they had only like 5 to 6 shades, so I picked up the darkest shade available, and I'm happy that it somehow matches me. So if you guys can see, it's very hard, so we can't use it as it is. We'll have to use a damp sponge for using it, and that too not a damp sponge. We actually need to use a sponge which is actually kind of dripping wet, something like this. Okay, then only this sponge is gonna pick up the product, because it's very hard and it's a very dry product, and I think pancake is like that only. And this sponge will definitely take up a good amount of product from this pancake. And please, as I said, make sure that the sponge is definitely wet, not damp. Where usually when we apply foundation, we make sure that there is no water in sponge. We make sure that the sponge is damp and not. But when it comes to pancake, it is always better that the sponge is wet, not just damp. As you guys can see, it is pretty high coverage, and just to show you guys, I have used quite a lot of product, but I do not prefer this kind of high coverage. I always prefer my base makeup to be very natural natural, but then we can definitely take up the product just once and blend it and apply it all over the face so that the coverage is not that much. Even after applying this much of product, what I liked about this pancake is that it is not at all sticky. We do not feel that there is anything on our face, which is something I really love. So since we have done with the demo, let's see whether this is waterproof or not. So this is a rose water. Now I will just spritz and let me see whether it's waterproof. Yeah, it is waterproof, guys. You cannot see anything on my fingers, right? Okay, now it is coming out. So I don't know if you guys can see, there is definitely this foundation to my fingers right over here. So it is definitely not 100% waterproof, but of course we can say that this is water resistant. That is there. This is how my face looks like after 4 hours of wearing this pancake. And if you guys can see, definitely it has faded a bit from my nose area, and it has creased a bit at my smile line, and under eyes and other areas is still perfect because I've got a dry skin. Pretty happy with the staying power. It does last for good 3 to 4 hours, so that's good. All in all, my opinion is that you can definitely give this product a try if you get a shade matching to you, but at the same time I wouldn't recommend you guys to buy this online because you can't really make out the shade from online swatches, so that is something very difficult. For the price we pay, this is a good product. So that's it, guys. I'm really sorry, guys. I know the lighting is a bit weird. Not bit, actually it's really weird, but I'm so sorry. So next video I will try and find out a better place wherein the sunlight is not so harsh. So but I really hope this review video has been helpful for you all. If so, you guys know what to do. Please do give this video a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, it's bye bye, take care, love you all. Mwah. Bye.